Now, you might be wondering how to exactly fix if your game Phasmophobia here is not connecting to its voice server. Well, there are a few things that we need to understand. Now, typically, if you're going to play Phasmophobia, it's best to use the voice server inside the game because there are some functionalities that you need to utilize, like, for example, talking over the voice box here. So that's something really cool that you could do. But then again, sometimes connecting to the server may be kind of tricky here. So why does it actually happen? Now, the thing with Phasmophobia uses what we call VVox voice, which is a voice over IP technology here. Which the thing with this one is it's actually banned on multiple countries due to strict VoIP laws, and that includes the following countries here. Now, this is according to Google search. Now, basically, you won't be able to use VVox in Phasmophobia if you're in one of these countries, and that's kind of like a downer here. So how do you get around this one? Well, the thing with this one is in order for you to get past this, you need to use VPN. Now, you need to either install a VPN or buy a VPN, or you could go and set up your own VPN by going to your search bar here and just type in VPN, go to VPN settings, and you could go and just click on add VPN here and just fill out the necessary details. Now, there are free ones that you could get online here. Just make sure you trust that provider. But yeah, you just need to enter the connection name, the server name or address that will be provided from whichever server you're using, and which the VPN type, username. This is optional, password. This is optional as well if it requires only. But yeah, you could go and just click on save on it and just choose your VPN here and turn it on. So yeah, currently that is the only way for you to make Phasmophobia again. Make the voice, or your in order for you to connect to your voice server. So that's the only way that you could do it. So yeah, so that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.